Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do the comparison of two very popular card holder from Hermes. One is right here, which I'm using, and this is the Hermes Calvi card holder, and the other one is new and I haven't opened yet. So in today's video, we're gonna open together. Plus, we will do a little bit of comparison, that is the features, size, and price. Now this one I purchased it from duty free, which means I purchased this one from Milan's airport, Italy, and this was sitting in my closet for almost 3 months. I haven't got a chance to open yet. I was so busy recently, so you guys see I don't upload a video very frequently. I only upload the shorts because the life is getting really busy lately. So in today's video, we're gonna do the unboxing together, and I will compare this one. But before that, I also have an unboxing of two new silk bras from Daisy Silk. Now this is not a sponsored video. The company sent me two new blouses, want me to try to show you guys how it look on me. So let's do unboxing for this one first. So let me show you the package first. So here is the package that I received. Inside there are two blouses. The first one is green stripe, and the second one is avocado green shirt. So let me try the first one. It is the avocado green shirt. This shirt fabric is very smooth, very comfortable to wear. You can wear for the work or you can wear for the special occasion. The material is 100% luxury mulberry silk. Very nice details on the pearl buttons and the 5 shiny buttons right under the V-neck. The V-neck cut is so perfect because sometimes I found that some shirts the V-neck cut is too low. It's very difficult to wear, but this one is so perfect. The size I choose is a small size, which I like to have a loose fit. This shirt you can pair well with the pants or skirt. It will look great with a pair of the jeans too. This top will work really well for work. I love the color. The fit is perfect. The fabric is nice to touch, very flattering. I like to wear with the classic white leg pants, tuck in with blazer to create the elegant look. The second shirt is the green in the stripes. It is 100% pure silk, very vibrant but not overpowering. Beautiful fabric, high quality tailoring. It is very flattering. I really like how the shirts balance the professionalism with the touch of the casual comfort. It felt super nicely and looked great tucked into high-waisted pants. This shirt can pair with so many outfits, from the jean to skirt to trousers and so on. Very classic. You can wear it itself or pair with the blazer to create a professional look. It is a basic piece for your wardrobe. Very elegant shirt. I truly love this one. So I will link those two blouses in my description box, plus the 15% of the coupon code for you guys. Definitely check out their website. Now let's do the unboxing of the Hermes card holder. So here is the one. Let me just open. Let's see what I got it. Yes, I got the Hermes Calvi Du card holder. What you mean by that is this one has the extra pocket, and compare with the traditional or original Calvi card holder, you can see the features. So the one I bought it from online is the Calvi card holder, and this one it has one pocket, and the back can consider as a pocket. besides that, it also has the coin purse right here. So the feature is a little bit different, and this one you can actually pull like that. So what does this do is, if I put the credit cards inside, I can just pull this out and take the credit card. Will be a little bit convenient. And this one also, it is Epsom leather, happen to be same exactly leather and the same exactly color. So this is the gold color. Now this one I purchased online. The boutique always don't have this card holder, so I think it's a very popular item. But this one also, I've been waiting for 2 years. I check it online frequently and I never see in person until this time when I was about to leaving the Italy in the Milan airport. I saw this one. Here, funny thing is, when I was in the airport boutique and I actually want to buy another Kavi card holder, but the SA said that I only allowed to purchase one small leather goods or one leather goods. That's how she told me that. Then I said, what if I buy more stuff? Will you allow me to buy one more piece? And then she's like, no matter how many things you purchase, you only can buy one. So that's the one I only got. Otherwise, I probably will get more because they do have a lot of nice card holder with the beautiful color. I do love it, but I couldn't, so I only got one piece for this one. Now my husband also bought something at the airport boutique. He bought the shoes, he bought the belts. I also bought a one fine jewelry piece, which I will show you guys in the future. So here is the one. Now let me just do quick side-by-side size comparison. So here are the side-by-side, as you can see. Let me just move the camera close so you can see. From here you can tell the Kavi Duo card holder is a little bit bigger, it's a little bit bulky, and looks like that. You can see side-by-side. This is how both look like. Let me do this way, and you can see the size difference, right? The Kavi card holder is a little bit smaller than this one, and the length, I think it's the same length. So here are the side-by-side comparison. Now let me tell you guys the price of this. Now this one I purchased last year, I believe $365, and this one I purchased in Italy, and it is euro dollar. I paid 400 euro. Because I was in the airport, so they already exclude the tax or everything. So this is how much I pay for it. I believe in USA it sells $510. The only thing I don't like the Kavi card holder is the credit card constantly move around, like especially when I open the credit card, now I'm stuck. So as you can see, sometimes will end up like this. It's like so crazy. And that's the thing I really don't like it. These things happen very often, and hopefully this one won't have the same problem, I hope. And plus this pocket, I kind of like it. I think I can put the belts and also the coins. I'm probably not gonna use it as a coin purse. I will put the credit cards and belts. I will use like that. And this side I'll put the credit card, but I will do the deep review and after I use this one, and we do the comparison again. So these are for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.